This is the special activation. That's a gray wolf.
That's awful close.
Whiskey 1, Alpha Whiskey. Parks on the air. Hey, phone friends. It is Mike, Kilo Echo Zero, Victor, India Mike. It is Sunday, April 2nd. We are in the Marana, Arizona area, northwest of Tucson. But we're low on water, so it just so happens the place we're going to get water, west on I-10, goes past Picacho Peak State Park. We're going to bump down our little camping road here, and we'll be on our way. Cue the driving montage! Great. Appreciate it. Have a good one. Set up here, maybe at this table. Little view at the peak. My antenna over there, the other side of that grill. Not a bad view. A lot of saguaro. Not too busy. So after further review, I think his mountain cuts into the east just a little too much. Came around the mountain a little bit from the north, around to just a little bit too much to the west side. It might be okay, but all I got's a vertical antenna. I'd rather not be on the west side of this mountain. So I'm gonna go back the way I came a little bit, see if I can't utilize any other parking areas, have better access to the east. Could be good. Let's take a look. Okay, so there's a few picnic tables out here. That guy, one off in the distance over there. All of them have a nice view. We'll have good access, propagationally speaking, to the east. To the west, not so great. I don't necessarily like that. Another one over here is a little more isolated. Kind of here at the end. Oh, man, a lot of things around here claw you. Got a saguaro friend here. See, the creosotes are blooming. We got some of those. Nice view. I think this might be our spot right here. The table is pretty unlevel. That might be the worst thing about this spot. Okay, so I was looking at a couple tables over there. I've now opted for a table right up on the hill right there. As luck would have it, I'm using the 25-foot coax I would normally have in my portable pack. I'm using it back at the hexagonal ham hut. I've got the 100-footer with me today just by chance, and that's going to let me still operate up on that hill at the table and run the coax all the way down to the truck and do the mag mount on the roof, which I have pretty good luck with. And then I don't have to go out in the thorny bushes and the cacti to set up tripod for the Wolf River coil. That's the plan. We'll see how that setup turns out. Okay, so that's set up. Antenna's on the truck. Guessing for around 20 meters. And we got the line running right up here, right to the operating station. Time to set that up. Put 2 turns of the coax around the leg of the picnic table, so if something jerks on the coax, it'll just hit that, won't pull the radio. Now the challenge is going to be, I have 40 minutes from this point to get 10 contacts before midnight. Do I worry about that? Part of the goal was getting 2 activations. And we're not tuned. More time. It says it's tuned at 12 megahertz. It's too long, really. That seems crazy to me. That's where it's at. It's at 12 megahertz. So I gotta make it shorter. I'm not using that much coil. I don't know if I can go up that high. Give it a shot. Okay. Bump the collar up 3 notches. What I call the 0 reading. So the top of the collar is my reading, and it's right at the top of the coil. So for me, that's 0. And I'll just count coils on the way down. And that is 15 megahertz is where that's centered. So now that is too long, too short rather. Okay, that's going to be about right. Okay, to spread out my view there, let's go back and recall calibration 2. Oh yeah, we got the whole band now less than 1.3 to 1. Smoking. Man, I wish I gave myself more time. I felt like I was leaving earlier than I planned. Still here having to rush. I think I'll just wait till 5. I'll wait till 5, that way it doesn't feel too frenetic. I really like this pouch here. It's for fishing lures. Coiled up wire fits really good in here. There was a bunch of clear pages that you could put fishing lures into. Clear sheets. It had 3-ring binder and you could leaf through it like a notebook. But you can see the headphones fit perfect. My foot pedal's in there. Antenna analyzer in here. My Morse key fits in here. All those peripherals in this nice little bag. It was about 20 bucks at Walmart. I want another. Well, I do have another one of these to put my my DX Commander gear in. I would like to get another one for my in-fed half wave, and I can't find them anymore. I probably have to just order online, but I just picked this up in Walmart in the actual store. Pretty place. Drive right by it on I-10. And you drive up from Tucson to Phoenix or the other way. Pretty area. Pretty state. Love it here. I got 25 minutes till midnight. I might just go ahead and get started. I don't know if I worry about a failed activation. Maybe it's more important to get the 10 CW and then bust out some voice and go home. And I think it would help if I just got started. Plus people steal your frequency if you wait too long. That's what happens if you wait too long. There went my frequency. Do you see what happens, Larry? Do you see what happens? Do you see what happens? Okay, I got booted off 1064. Well, it was 1464. Now I'm trying 14049. Sounds pretty clear. Okay, I've done it now. I spotted myself. I've got the video rolling. Nothing to do but go now. So I got excited to bump their key. Come on, computer. Ta-da-da-da. Okay, I got KJZ. That did not seem right. K1Z. Okay. Da-da-da-da-da. Hang on, guys. Let me get some stuff in the computer here. End's nice and high. This person seriously overestimates my CW skills. I got W. I didn't get the rest of the character. WB7. DA, not GA. I got 6 in before midnight. Hey. Threw an X at me, my hardest character. Uh-oh. Some QSB. That's 12. I don't get anything, I might bolt. That was good rhythm. Felt pretty good about all that. QRT and I'm out of here. I got 6 on each side of midnight. Oh well. All right, 12 contacts. Did I get any to the west? I got some Idaho. I got a straight shot to Idaho, I think. Georgia, Washington, Idaho, Alabama, Washington. Okay, there's a California. Richard, WKRKC. I'd be interested to see how far south he is in California. I might look that up. Interested to see how much these mountains, this ridge behind me, will mess me up. And, you know, the truck's even downhill a little bit from my position. Be curious to see. I might look that one up. Unfortunately, it's on my phone. But 12, I felt pretty good. I got a little clumsy there. The left hand started messing with me. And you know how it goes. You make a mistake and then more follow. You just got to kind of take a breath and slow down and start over again. Other than that, I don't think I got tripped up too much. Left hand did pretty good. I was a drummer back in the day, and I didn't think the left hand would be too bad. I did a lot of marching snare in high school and college at K-State. 4 years at K-State. So my two hands are pretty equal. Didn't do a whole lot of set or trap or anything like that. I was no good at that, but just the marching snare. So just simple drumming. So I thought my left hand, you know, it's a little weaker than my right, but I figured I'd pick it up okay. And you know, I haven't really practiced it or anything. I just did it. I just turned my key around the other way and did it. So happy with that. Go voice and run a little bit there. Probably won't even do that for too long, and we'll call it good. Kilo Echo 0 Victor India Mike. Is this frequency in use? Is this frequency in use? This is Kilo Echo 0 Victor India Mike calling CQ. CQ Parks on the air. Picacho Peak State Park, Arizona. Parks on the air.
November 6 Kilo, November 6 Kilo India.
Kilo November 6 Kilo India. I got you 5-9 to Picacho Peak.
Copy the 5-9. You are also 5-9 in far northern California.
Copy that. Appreciate that report from far northern California. Thanks for hunting today. Good to hear from you again. 7-3.
Okay, 73.
Whiskey Bravo 9, no darn good. Gotcha. You're about a, I'll give you a 4x5 into Pinal County, Arizona. Okay, there was a Kilo 7 Mike. Come again, please.
Kilo 7, Mike, Juliet, Foxtrot.
Okay, Kilo 7 Mike, Juliet, Foxtrot. I got a little distortion there, but I got you. You're a 5-5, Arizona.
You're also 5-5 in Utah.
Okay, copy that 5-5 in Utah. Yeah, a little distortion on the signal there, but it's copyable. Appreciate you hunting tonight, 7-3.
Kilo 6 Delta Mike.
Alpha Kilo 6 Delta Mike, got you 5-9, Picacho Peak.
You're 5-9 here on the coast of California.
Where are you at in California, over?
Rio Grande, right next to Pismo Beach.
That's kind of central California, is that right?
Yeah, halfway between LA and San Francisco.
Okay, gotcha. I got a ridge to my west here, and I figured I wouldn't get Southern California because of it, so that's why I was asking. But I appreciate you returning the call. Thanks for hunting, 7-3. Kilo Echo 0 Victor India Mike, Parks on the air. Again. Did I hear an Italy station? Italy, come again? India 4 Radio Hotel Papa. Gotcha. You're 3-2. 3-2 into Arizona. Back to you. QSL got the 42 to Italy, my friend. Thank you. It's been a while since I've heard from Europe. Appreciate the DX. 7-3. KE0 VIM Parks on the air.
Whiskey Alpha 7 Foxtrot Lima Yankee.
Whiskey Alpha 7 Foxtrot Lima Yankee 5-7 Arizona.
QSL copy the 5-7. You're a 5-9, and I'm special today. I'm aeronautical mobile. I'm airborne in a Boeing 737 at 36,000 feet. Let's see, we're over western Nebraska, QSL.
QSL, 36,000 feet over western Nebraska. That's pretty cool. I'm only about 4,000 feet elevation here, so you got me by quite a bit.
That's pretty good. Did you say Picacho Peak?
That's right, Picacho Peak State Park. I am just north of Tucson by a town called, oh shoot, I forgot it. North of Marana. Roger, roger. Yeah, it's the pretty mountain to the west, just by Eloy. That's the name of the town, Eloy, Arizona.
Oh, well, very good, very good. Glad to make the contact there. Thanks for the parks on the air. And let's see, what was your park designated?
Yeah, the park is Kilo 1065.
QSL copy 1065.
Plane.
And I'll put you in the logbook. I don't add any extension for aeronautical mobile, just the call sign. QSL.
QSL, I got you as WA7 Fly.
Hey, very good. Thanks for the park. Have a fun time out there. Take care. 73.
Hey, thank you. Fly safe. Have a great week. 7-3. Kilo Echo 0, Victor India Mike. All right, that's going to be a wrap from Picacho Peak State Park. I got one successful activation and one failed activation just because I didn't get my first contact until I had 11 minutes to go until midnight to get my 10, and I got 6. I got the 7th right in the nick of time. And let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I got my 10th 4 minutes late. So that's not bad. I could probably cheat and get it all on one side, but I'm not going to sweat a failed activation. That's get me done early. It's about, that's only 5:40 local. So I'm going to run up a little bit farther up the interstate. We got to get some water for the RV, trek back to the camping spot, and that will wrap it up for the day. And that'll be my last activation in the Tucson area. Next one will be up at Petrified Forest National Park. We'll see you there. Kilo Echo 0, Victor India Mike going QRT. Here I am at the pilot station. I actually remembered to get the water. Remember, when it's a chore that gets you out to do a POTA, when you get your POTA done, don't forget the chore.